how to turn on or turn off color inversion on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility. Next, we tap on Vision Enhancements, and then we go down and tap on Color Inversion. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on, so the color has now been inverted. Well, we can switch it off. Tapping on the left hand side will allow you to create a shortcut as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.